Hi, I'm Leah Blesoff from Brown Harris Stevens, and today I'm here to show you a gorgeous apartment at 136 Waverly Place, apartment 10D. Let's take a look. Step into this elegant and sun-filled one-bedroom and prepare to be wowed with dazzling views of Jefferson Market and the Empire State Building, and wide-open village views to the west and brilliant sunsets every evening. This beautifully proportioned one-bedroom has been exquisitely updated while maintaining all of its pre-war charm. The open kitchen features custom maple cabinetry, marble countertops, and high-end appliances, Sub-Zero wine storage, Miele dishwasher, and Viking range. There is a separate dining area, perfect for gracious entertaining, and the renovated windowed bathroom features a marble countertop vanity and a serene walk-in shower. The spacious bedroom features ample closets with great additional closet space throughout the apartment. Located in the West Village and built in 1928, the Waverly is a full-service cooperative building with a lovely lobby, 24-hour doorman, daily porter service, live-in super, bike storage, and wait-listed resident storage. The Waverly is a coveted West Village address, just 1 block from Washington Square Park, near most major subway lines, and surrounded by some of the city's finest restaurants, entertainment, and fabulous shopping. There's also a bit of interesting TV trivia associated with the Waverly. Rumor has it that the Mad Men character Don Draper resided here. I doubt his apartment had these fabulous views. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you have any questions about this apartment or would like to visit it in person, please give me a call or email me. I'd be happy to show you around.